Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Claude desktop app step by step. If you want to use Claude directly on your computer instead of the browser, this guide will help you set it up easily. Let's get started. Claude is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic that helps with writing, coding, research, and productivity tasks. Here's how to install the desktop app. Step 1. Visit the Claude website. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude website. Sign in with your account if you already have one. If you don't have an account, create one using your email address. Step 2. Go to the Download section. Once you are logged in, look for the Download option for the Claude desktop app. Claude provides installers for both Windows and Mac computers. Choose the version that matches your operating system. Step 3. Download the installer. Click the Download button to download the installation file to your computer. The file will usually appear in your Downloads folder. Step 4. Run the installer. Open the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your computer. Step 5. Launch the Claude app. Once the installation is complete, open the Claude desktop app from your Applications or Programs folder. Step 6. Sign in to your account. When the app opens, sign in using your Claude account credentials. After logging in, you will be able to start chatting with Claude directly from the desktop app. Step 7. Start using Claude. You can now use Claude for tasks like writing and editing content, answering questions, generating code, research, and productivity work. Important tip: using the desktop app allows faster access and may provide additional features like file integration and keyboard shortcuts. And that's it. That's how you install the Claude desktop app step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.